is the Cavilux HF system, our high-performance pulse diode laser light source, complementing high-speed cameras, providing an excellent and versatile tool for scientific and industrial R&D work. With the Cavilux HF, you're able to see through heat and blinding brightness, have accurate imaging of processes involving even extremely small and fast objects with minimized blur, vary the pulse duration to suit your needs, and have unlimited scope in terms of the optics you use. Our products are made in Finland, adhering to high-quality standards and crafted from durable aluminum and steel. With more than 20 years of R&D in the diode laser technology, our expertise guarantees superb results that will take on the most challenging of processes. To see what you have missed, boost your imaging, see through heat and blinding brightness, freeze the motion, and have high-quality versatile laser lighting, order your Cavilux HF system.